you? How things? Good?
चलो सबका रोल है नहीं रोल है
अरे हो तो यार
आप पहले रोल है सबका
बस मैं बेचैन हूँ फिल्म देखने के लिए। बहुत ही कमाल की रिपोर्ट आई है जहाँ में रिलीज़ हुई है और सुनने में आया है मतलब जो मुझे फीडबैक मिला इस फिल्म का कि ये जो मिशन इम्पॉसिबल 4 थी, ये 5वीं जो है मिशन इम्पॉसिबल वो 4 से भी बेहतर है। और जो भी रिव्यूज़ मिले हैं और फिल्में काफ़ी जगह जापान वगैरह और अमेरिका में भी रिलीज़ हो गई है और वहाँ धूम मचा रही है। तो अगले हफ्ते मेरे ख्याल से इसी फ्राइडे को रिलीज़ हो रही है हिंदुस्तान में। और मेरा तो यही होगा कि ये फिल्म जो है जो लास्ट जो मिशन इम्पॉसिबल उससे भी ज़्यादा चले और मुझे उम्मीद है उससे ज़्यादा धंधा करेगी।
सर सबसे पहले आप ये बताइए कि जो आपका रोल है ब्रिज ना जो 4th पार्ट में, इस पार्ट में आपको कुछ रिफॉर्म होने वाला है या आपको कुछ छोटा भी रोल?
नहीं इस लास्ट में कुछ नहीं। आई जस्ट कम एज अ फ्रेंड हो गया। या
So you are looking forward for any Hollywood venture next?
Any upcoming Hollywood venture yet?
at the moment I'm looking forward to Welcome Back. Welcome Back, which is going to release on 4th September, hopefully. So that's what I'm looking, and I'm looking forward to the film which I'm going to see now, which is Mission Impossible.
अनिल सर, आपके बेटे हर्षवर्धन बहुत ही जल्दी डेब्यू करने वाले हैं, तो सोनम का उसमें एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग है, क्या आपका गेस्ट अपीयरेंस?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इसको उस फिल्म के बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे। इस वक्त मैं यहाँ सिर्फ मिशन इम्पॉसिबल की बात कर रहा हूँ।
So 4th part में टॉम क्रूज इंडिया आए थे, so are they planning to come India once again? 4th part में he visited Mumbai and
Look, at the moment when I last connected with him, he was in Tokyo, and of course he's this time. मैं नहीं हूँ ना फिल्म में, तो कैसे आएंगे? So I think you'll let the guests come and let them enjoy the film, and we can talk after the film. I think it's a very good thing, and I think his support will give a lot of confidence to these students. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Hello. Thank you.
visuals, sir, first visuals. So first four visuals, please. Sir, आज की इवनिंग के बारे में कितना एक्साइटेड है, नर्वस है? What do you want to say about it?
The film is opened brilliantly in the US, worldwide. Okay, so we are very excited about the prospects here in India. In our portfolio, this is really the biggest tentpole that we have from Paramount. So we have to, of course, be really excited about what this can do in India.
Reviews भी सर काफी पॉजिटिव मिले हैं, इंटरनेशनल क्रिटिसिज्म है, रॉटेन टोमेटो हो या what do you want to say about it? They are quite appreciating this movie.
In my view, this is simply the best Mission Impossible of all. Right from the first frame to the last frame, you're riveted. At the same time, many times as it happens in the other MIs, that it doesn't lose you. So you're always there. You are virtually on the trail yourself till the very last frame. So it's a very exciting one, and it has exciting prospects.
चाहे वो इम्पैक्ट मानते हैं, चाहे वो आप जैसे लोग हो, पैसा लगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बड़े बड़े।
देखिए, कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर जिसको आप जैसे बोल रहे हैं, उनका ये तो फिल्में पूरी दुनिया में इसी तरह बनती है। आप अगर देखें आज मिशन इम्पॉसिबल, तो ये सब स्टूडियो की फिल्म्स हैं। तो स्टूडियो का काम सिर्फ लागत या इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होता। स्टूडियो का काम है कि सही फिल्म को आइडेंटिफाई किया जाए, सही स्क्रिप्ट को आइडेंटिफाई किया जाए, उसको सही टैलेंट, एक्टिंग या डायरेक्टिंग टैलेंट के साथ पेयर किया जाए। तो पूरी तरह से इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहती है, और तब जाके इस तरह का प्रोडक्ट बनता है जो दुनिया में आप 140 देशों में एक साथ रिलीज़ कर सकते हैं। तो ये सोच कि कॉर्पोरेट का कल्चर बढ़ता जा रहा है, आई थिंक ये थोड़ी सी नासमझी है। फिल्म उद्योग ही कॉर्पोरेट उद्योग है, तो ये उद्योग इसी तरह चलता है हर जगह.
सर ये सीरीज में आपको सबसे अच्छी मिशन इम्पॉसिबल कौन सी लगी?
This one. I have
you watched it?
Of course.
So you liked it very much?
Of course. Yeah, I absolutely loved it. I told you the reason. Basically because it doesn't lose you anywhere, and at the same time you are virtually on the trail. So when you finally nail what you are supposed to, you actually enjoy the victory, and that's the best thing that can happen to an audience.
Okay, so thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
I think it's going to start. एक second, जा रहा है. Just wait your turn. Thank you. Thank you. Lights out here, please. Before the film? Okay. Hi guys. Hi. I'm very excited actually. Anil sir called me yesterday and I was dying to watch the film since I saw the trailer. So I'm glad I got to come for the preview.
That's Mission Impossible.
No. He's the mission.
Look at the mission.
No, look at this.
What an awesome job she's done. And always does.
Thank you,
Mission
sir.
Impossible 6.
Come, no, sir, where are you going? Wait.
I'm going, you speak. Yeah?
No,
I just
no.
came to say hello to you.
No,
I'll
no,
speak
take
later.
his bites, please.
No, you.
Please give your bite.
I'll give him my bite.
Okay, I'll come. Of course, met Tom Cruise was very funny. So, of course, I will all of them, and I'm excited to see this one today.
सबसे अच्छी आपको कौन सी लगी परी?
That is very tough. That's really tough. Maybe two. Maybe. I don't know. But the original was also great. Bollywood film?
Any biopic?
Oh, sorry.
Any personality that you follow and why you want to be a part in that biopic?
ये मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. Once I have an answer, I'll give you. I have not thought of it. My house is only keeping me busy right now. On the films front, I will make an announcement when I can. Actually, मेरा जो घर था वो मेरा मिशन था जब से मैं बॉम्बे आई हूँ. So I'm glad वो पूरा हो गया and I finally moved in and I'm finally getting to live in my new house. So I feel very good. When is it?
Friendship Day
Oh,
tomorrow.
I'm working tomorrow, so I had no idea it's Friendship Day. But happy Friendship Day to all my friends and to all of you in advance. First of all, wishing everybody a very happy Independence Day. I'm glad that we live in a very free country, which is becoming freer by the day. Girls especially are getting the freedom to do what they want, work where they want, marry who they want, wear what they want, which is great, very liberating, and I hope it always continues. I'm not going to comment on that.
Maybe I am broadcasting this event live, and one person is giving a compliment that even in casuals you're looking like a pari.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.
The first one is my personal favorite, but I think Ethan is a character which is extremely endearing, and I'm a huge fan of the series. But my personal has always been MI1 and 2 actually, both.
Talking about previous installment, Anil Kapoor was there, he played an integral role in that. So what do you want to say about that, the contribution that he made towards the movie, the previous one?
You know, I think what he did in terms of story and plot maybe it had lesser scenes, but I think he had a very crucial part in the series, in that particular series of Mission. And so I think unka jo us time ka kidar tha, the character made an impact on the story. So maybe it was for a duration wise slightly lesser, but I think it was impactful. I was hoping he could come back in this, but he hasn't. But I'm sure he's here.
He's here, but he's not not in this movie.
No, but I know he told me that too, but I'm sure they'll miss him, and in the MI6 you'll see him. Yeah? Ji,
As a producer.
biopic. अभी फिलहाल इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से। अरे मुझे इनकी कहानी बहुत पसंद आई, अरुणिमा सिन्हा की। जो अरुणिमा सिन्हा जो उनकी कहानी मुझे बहुत पसंद आई है। आई रेड हर बुक एंड इफ शी इज रेडी टू मेक इट इनटू अ फिल्म आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।